Ishan Arora, and I'm going to represent my reflection report presentation here. First of all, I would like to thank everyone. I would like to thank you all the staff members, my team members, and the university staff. And our client was Gorilla Jobs, which is a recruitment company. And like the other recruitment company, their job is to provide the recruitment services for their users and customers. Our client name is Fauzi, and project supervisor was Mr. Lee. And our team members are like this: Pawanpreet Kaur, who was a team leader; Ishan Arora, myself, who's being a project manager in this project; and Mohit Rana was a developer; and Harmanpreet Singh is a tester. So first of all, I would like to tell you about myself that uh, my experience in IT is of 5 years. I worked as a senior software engineer in one of the MNC, and I was being a senior software engineer there. That's why my team, after discussed with my team, they said to me to take the responsibility of project manager because I was the most senior guy as per the experience from them. So that's why I chosen this role of project manager, and my role is basically of collecting the all the requirement from the client, to set up the meetings with client, and to set up the internal meetings to check the progress of the project, and also to help the developer and the tester in the practical levels, because I also worked as a software developer, so I helped in the coding part as well, and to the tester as well. So that's the reason why I've been choosing this role of being a project manager. And and as I tell you about the Gorilla Jobs, which is a recruitment company. And so these are the key problems at the currently with the system. The currently system was decentralized software systems, because there are a lot of tasks has been a lot of tasks are performing on the system, but for several apps are used to achieve a different function and logging multiple systems to view or share the information. So client wants to log in just one time and want to centralize all the system on a one single platform, and they just need to log in a single time to achieve all the functionality. So for that purpose, we have created a Gmail plugin in Chrome extension, and we create a single login screen. That was the very first task of the project. So being a project manager, other task that was done by me, and that was my responsibility, is to define the user stories. So what are the user stories? And these are the user stories: be able to log in, and then be able to search the entry, and then the other story is add note, which is in the database through extension, and be able to create new entries in the database through extension. So to first of all, we have to log into the recruitment software, and we have to make a login screen. That was my first understanding being a project manager, after communication with the client, and then the search the entry of the particular email address. So these are the user stories defined by me. And then the project scope, of course, after discussed with the team members and the client, then we decided uh, to reach at the point what would be our project scope. And our project scope is divided into four categories. First of all, develop Chrome extension. I discussed with team members that I just created these steps to how the working will be done. First of all, I asked my team, we're gonna work like we will create a Chrome extension, then we'll create a login screen and centralized system, and we'll add the features after that. And that's exactly how we have done this work, which I'm gonna represent you. So this is the project product and the problem statements, then the project methodology. We have to read log logs, and then again the question for me, how to which which methodology we have to follow to achieve this. So because our task is has to be handed over in a sprints, sprint 1, sprint 2, sprint 3. So I think for me it is the best thing, and best thing to adopt a agile system, because we have to do the weekly meetings as well, and we have to provide the task to the client in a sprints in every sprint, and we have to document it to the documentation for every sprint. So that's why this is the best and suitable approach for me. So being a project manager, this was the other major task that I have done by selecting this agile platform. So this is the product development, dividing the work. Being a project manager, my responsibility was to dividing the tasks between the teams, designing the screens, then designing backend APIs with the help of the coding and integrate the database. This is the code diagram, and this was our first task that we have done, and which took a lot of time for us because this was the base of the project to create a login screen. And this is basically the login screens. Once the user will open their Gmail into the system, this login screen will pop up. I will show you how it works at the end of this assignment. And then this is the sprint 2. We have make the database connectivity, and in the sprint 3 we have done the email configuration as well, make the screens for email template and add feature, and schedule the feature for the template. And so these are basically the major tasks that has been done by the team and by me as a project manager. And then again, the product testing was the main part of this all the functionality, because without the testing we can't go ahead. So again, being a project manager, I was there always to perform the test cases or to the unit testing with the Harmanpreet Singh, who was the tester of this project. And then also the project coding, this is the front end coding. So sometimes it's very difficult for the developer to create a uh, to create the exact what they want. So that's why what we have done, we have to take a help from the internet. So I have to use my experience, so I have to be the helping hand or being the front hand sometimes to develop this code. So this was again the biggest task for us. And the if we talk about, these are the project tools and framework that we have done: backend and GraphQL, UL. And because the backend code from the client end was written on the GraphQL, front end we used HTML and CSS to make the login screens, and we did use the draw.io as well. And on the question of what the unique thing we have learned, and I have learned in this project, we didn't the unique thing is GraphQL, and because we didn't work on this platform before that, so it was very new for us, and especially to create this login screen as well. This was also a new part for us. We never made any login screen with the help of the extensions. We all were very excited. We did it with all the our interest and all the dedication, because we were very excited at the moment once we have done once we have reached to this point, because this was a result of the hard work of our all team members. So, and this was also database connectivity. And on the question of this was the main part. And if we talk about the ideas to improve the course, I would like to say that there must be a more sort of the technologies could be used in this project. Like now the project is only uh, we can say that only compatible with the Google Chrome itself, because it's the only Chrome extension. What I want is my personal opinion is this project should be compatible with all the other browsers as well. But because the client's requirement to only to do on the Chrome extension, so that's why we have done on the Google Chrome. So that's the only limitation I can see in this project. And let me show you the working of this project, how we done. And as I show you, this is the login screen we have made. And once uh, we have done the testing as well, because the client gave us the password and the username, and we will reach there. So 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 like this is a login screen. Once we open any Gmail, it will pop up there, and like this, and this will pop up there. Once we will click on any of this one, it will pop up like this. This template is made by us in a sprint 3, and this is the schedule that has been done by us. So this is all the work that we have completed. This login screen, this window pop-up, and this data connectivity. These are the data. These entries are in the database of the client because we have done the integration. That's why it's showing here. So this login screen, data integration, and email template design we have done in all the sprint 3 parts. And yes, we have done this one. So that's all from our project and the part of us. So I would like to add that on my role of the project manager, it was very exciting for me. It was very interesting for me because I never took the direct responsibility as a project manager before that. So it was very fun. It was very good to communicate with the team members. It was very good, challenging to take the responsibility of gathering the information from the client, gathering the requirements from the client, and to set up the meetings, to set up the internal meetings, to discuss the test cases, to help the developer in the coding, to help the testers. So it was all very what we can say, the multiple task has been I have to done I had to perform being a project manager, but it was very enjoyable and it was very learning because it raises my confidence in the communication level. It raises my confidence on the real world on the real world level. It raises my confidence in the, especially in the teamwork, how the teamwork could be done, how to take the work from all the team members, how to give the support, and how to do the task on the time, and how to perform everything within the time and within the time frame, and to gather the information. So all it was very learning part for me. I will really remember this in all my life. And thank you very much again, all the team members and the teacher staff. Thank you very much.